What's up everyone, TechBird is here. So the Galaxy S22 series are the coming phones from Samsung which will be launched in coming months. For that we are getting leaks and rumors day after day. Today we have some new information about the three devices of Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Before proceeding this video, I will suggest you to subscribe this channel because we need your support for producing more content. Firstly, we will talk about the design and look of S22 series. According to sources, the design will be disappointing because S22 will have the same design as S21. It will have same punch hole selfie camera and the same camera design at back. So it will disappoint the customers because they can think why they should change their phone with the old design. And old design will never attract the customers. Prominent leakster Ice Universe has been on a Samsung Galaxy S22 in the past week, revealing chipset and camera details as well as the charging speeds for the S22 Ultra. When we talk about the battery capacity, according to latest leaks, the smaller Galaxy S22, which is reported to feature a 3700 mAh battery with 25 watt charging. The interesting thing is that the S22 Plus and S22 Ultra will do 45 watt charging, which is quite the disparity between the three models. But you will pay more money for the actual charger if you want to buy, as Samsung will most likely not provide that charger in the box. Moving on to the chipset news and the Exynos 2200 specially, the CAT says it will have a powerful Cortex-X2 core running at 2.9 GHz, while the cluster of three big Cortex A710 cores will tick at 2.8 GHz. The remaining 4x energy-efficient Cortex A510 units are expected to run at 2.2 GHz. The AMD's GPU is rumored to offer 1250 MHz clock speeds. Ice Universe points out that the clock speed given above are for the S22 Ultra, whereas the S22 Plus and S22 will run the chipset at lower clocks. When we talk about the camera department, the S22 and S22 Plus will get an upgraded main camera, namely Samsung's ISOCELL GN5, a 50 megapixel sensor with all directional autofocus, and it will also support the 8K video recording. So this sensor will definitely perform better than the 12 megapixel sensor used by S21. That is everything we have got about the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. It will be pleasure for me to know what are your thoughts about the specifications and the design of S22 series. Let me know in the comment section below, and your subscription to this channel will be great reward for me. Till next video, peace out.